Hello, good to see everyone here back again. This is the last 18 bite size on why Tembusu Grand has a very attractive early bird pricing using a comparison analysis. Let's take a look. When we see the attractive official starting price of Tembusu Grand, it is just amazing. Why is that so? If you use an apple comparison called Live at MB, a one-bedroom price has an achieved transacted price of 2,854 per square foot. So compared to the starting price of 1+30 Tembusu Grand, that is approximately 486 higher for Live at MB compared to Tembusu Grand. So the safety margin is actually very high. How about the two bedrooms? The two bedrooms has a very attractive quantum price of starting from 1.548 million, which is $2,321 per square foot. And looking at the 2023 Live at MB contract price, it has achieved 2,909, and that is 2023. It is just 1 month ago. Currently is March 2023. And realize this is 588 per square foot higher than Tembusu Grand. So is Tembusu Grand a very irresistible buy? Looking at price point without emotion, I think the answer is a solid yes, because the safety margin is very high. How about the 3 bedrooms? Let's take a look at the 3 bedrooms. For the 3 bedrooms, the Live at MB achieved 2,693 per square foot. And that is only recently in February 2023. And that is last month again. And compared to this Tembusu Grand, starting price of only 2,301, the margin is close to up to $400 per square foot. Last but not least, let's take a look at the 4 bedrooms. It has a margin of approximately 330, comparing Live at MB, which is also a 99-year lease, District 15 versus Tembusu Grand. And not forgetting, Tembusu Grand actually take all the boxes. Award-winning developer, builder, landscape consultant, architect, next to Nassim of the East, and quality finishes, and the many other takes. And Tembusu Grand is selling at an attractive price based on very latest up-to-date apple comparison. So when I put this together, Tembusu Grand attractive selling price has a good safety margin of approximately $330 to $588 per square foot when you compare this with a very nearby Live at MB project. And I hope this price analysis will share with you to make you more informed in making your property investment purchase, and also will help you in adding massive value to the client that you serve. And I must thank every one of you for going through the number 1 all the way to 16 bite sizes for this macro part of analysis for Tembusu Grand. And also at the same time, completing this micro analysis of Tembusu Grand project. From this bite size, ranging from project information, why is it called Tembusu, all the way to the last bullet point, residential concept host. You guys must really give a small pat on your shoulder. And I hope this whole bite-size series will benefit you and also help you add value to the client that you serve. Rest well and see you soon in this coming Tembusu Grand review. Bye.